Have you ever wondered why trucks and other large machines don't use gasoline engines like regular cars? At the start of the 20th century, many heavy-duty trucks did run on gasoline, but these vehicles slowly faded away without leaving much of a trace. What happened? Why did gasoline-powered trucks disappear? Spoiler alert, it's not simply because diesel is cheaper than gasoline. To fully understand this, we need to delve into the differences between diesel and gasoline, and why diesel has become the preferred fuel for heavy-duty vehicles. First, let's explore the composition of these two fuels. In simple terms, diesel has a higher concentration of hydrocarbons than gasoline. This means that diesel fuel has a higher energy density. In other words, it can store more energy per molecule. This is important because in internal combustion engines, energy is converted into the force that powers the vehicle. A fuel with a higher energy density is more efficient at delivering power, but diesel fuel requires more pressure to extract this energy than gasoline does. This leads us to a key concept that's central to why diesel engines are preferred in large machines: torque. Torque is a term you've probably heard before, especially in discussions about vehicles and engines. But what exactly is torque? In simple terms, torque refers to the rotational force that a motor or engine applies to move a load. Imagine you're pushing a heavy object. You need a lot of force to start moving it, and once it's in motion, you can apply less effort to keep it moving. That initial force is akin to torque. When it comes to trucks and heavy machinery, torque is essential. This is what allows these vehicles to accelerate from a standstill and immediately start moving heavy loads. Whether it's pulling a fully loaded trailer or climbing a steep hill, torque ensures that the vehicle can keep going without stalling or losing speed. Torque also plays a key role in allowing trucks to maintain their speed, even when driving over rough terrain or steep inclines. So, how do diesel engines produce more torque than gasoline engines? It all comes down to the design of the engine. In a diesel engine, the piston has a longer stroke, which means it travels a greater distance inside the cylinder. This longer stroke gives the engine more time to push on the crankshaft, generating more torque. However, when you make the piston stroke longer, the compression inside the cylinder increases. If you tried this with a gasoline engine, the fuel might ignite prematurely, which could damage the engine. But diesel fuel can handle these higher levels of compression without detonating before the engine is ready. This is a key advantage of diesel over gasoline. Its ability to withstand higher compression allows for more efficient and powerful combustion. Diesel engines generate their maximum torque at lower revolutions per minute, RPM, compared to gasoline engines. This is crucial for heavy-duty applications such as trucks and industrial machinery, where low-end torque is necessary to get moving from a stop or handle the strain of carrying heavy loads. This availability of torque at lower RPMs is particularly beneficial for trucks, construction equipment, and other heavy-duty vehicles. Imagine a truck loaded with several tons of cargo. It needs a significant amount of force to start moving. A gasoline engine, which generates its peak torque at higher RPMs, would require much more revving and effort to get that same truck moving. In contrast, a diesel engine delivers its torque early, making it ideal for tasks like towing or hauling heavy materials. Moreover, trucks often have to navigate difficult terrain or steep hills, and diesel engines are designed to handle these challenges more efficiently. Even when a truck is moving uphill or driving through rough roads, the torque produced by a diesel engine ensures that the vehicle doesn't lose momentum, which is critical for maintaining safety and efficiency. One of the most significant advantages of diesel engines over gasoline engines is efficiency. Diesel engines are more fuel efficient because they burn fuel in a more controlled and thorough way. Diesel fuel itself contains more energy per gallon than gasoline, which means that less fuel is needed to generate the same amount of power. This is why diesel engines are often used in long-distance trucks and industrial machinery. Since they require less fuel to perform the same tasks, diesel engines are more economical, especially over long distances. For example, a long-haul truck driver can travel hundreds of miles on a single tank of diesel, reducing the time spent refueling and increasing overall productivity. Let's break this down with some numbers. Diesel engines are typically between 20% and 35% more efficient than gasoline engines. A heavy-duty truck averages around 10 kilometers per gallon, or 2.6 kilometers per liter. The annual mileage of a long-distance truck driver in the United States is roughly 120,000 kilometers. For a tractor-trailer running on diesel, this would equate to around $46,000 in diesel fuel costs per year. A gasoline engine, however, would consume about $50,000 worth of fuel for the same distance. That's a $4,000 savings per truck per year. Now imagine you own a fleet of 10 trucks. The difference in fuel costs would amount to $40,000 annually. Even if gasoline were slightly cheaper per liter, the lower efficiency of gasoline engines would still result in significantly higher fuel expenses. Additionally, gasoline engines would require larger fuel tanks to cover the same distances, which would reduce the available space for cargo, lowering the overall payload the truck can carry. Another major reason diesel engines dominate the heavy-duty vehicle market is their durability. Diesel engines are built to handle the higher compression ratios and greater stresses associated with diesel combustion. This means that the engine components, such as the pistons, crankshafts, and cylinder heads, are made from stronger materials and are built to withstand more wear and tear than those in gasoline engines. Diesel engines also operate at lower RPMs compared to gasoline engines. This means that the internal components of a diesel engine experience less stress, resulting in less wear and tear over time. The stronger components and lower operating speeds mean that diesel engines can last much longer before needing major repairs or maintenance. It's not uncommon for diesel engines to exceed 1 million kilometers of operation before requiring significant overhauls. This longevity makes them particularly appealing for trucking companies and heavy machinery operators who rely on their vehicles to stay on the road and out of the repair shop as much as possible. Because diesel engines are built to handle more stress, they also tend to require less frequent maintenance than gasoline engines. The robust components and lower RPMs mean that parts don't wear out as quickly. Additionally, diesel engines don't need spark plugs, which are a common maintenance item in gasoline engines. The combination of longer engine life, less frequent maintenance, and fewer part replacements contributes to lower overall operating costs for diesel-powered vehicles. This is another reason why diesel engines are the preferred choice for industries that depend on vehicles for their daily operations, such as shipping, construction, and agriculture. As we look to the future, there is increasing pressure on the transportation industry to reduce emissions and move toward cleaner energy sources. The trend is moving toward battery electric vehicles, EVs. But this solution presents its own challenges when it comes to heavy-duty vehicles. While electric motors can generate plenty of power, the batteries required to store enough energy for long-haul trucks are heavy and expensive. There are also issues related to charging times and range. A fully loaded electric truck may have limited range, and once the batteries lose efficiency over time, replacing them can be costly. The initial purchase price of electric trucks is also significantly higher than diesel trucks, making widespread adoption difficult, especially for small or medium-sized companies. Other alternatives include trucks that run on natural gas, but they tend not to be as versatile or efficient as diesel. Hydrogen fuel cells are another promising technology, offering the potential for cleaner energy with high power output. However, we are still at least 20 years away from hydrogen being a viable replacement for diesel and heavy-duty vehicles. For now, diesel engines remain the king of heavy-duty vehicles. Their ability to produce high torque at low RPMs, coupled with superior fuel efficiency, durability, and lower maintenance costs, make them the ideal choice for trucks, buses, and other large machinery. While alternative fuels may eventually replace diesel, it's clear that diesel engines will continue to power the world's trucks and heavy machinery for many years to come. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into this fascinating world.